topic is greatest common divisor. First, we will learn how to find the GCD of any two numbers using long division, and then we will represent equations using Euclid algorithm. And finally, we will use backtrack method to represent GCD in linear combination of those two numbers. We have learned the long division method in lower classes. See, this procedure is the long division. And in this, the last non-zero remainder, that is 7, will be our GCD. Which we are looking for. So the second step is to write the equation using Euclid algorithm. This A is equals to BQ plus R is Euclid algorithm. Okay. In this, A is dividend, B is divisor, and Q is quotient, and R is remainder. So using this equation from the long division method, we can write these four equations. Okay. We want to represent GCD, that is 7. We have found out that the GCD is 7 in the linear combination of these two numbers. So we will do nothing, just use these four equations by backtrack. How? I tell you. Backtrack method is first we'll find the value of 7 from this. We'll find the value of 7, that is 70 minus 21.3, and then from equation third we'll find the value of 21. That is 91 minus 70.1. Just put it here. Now we are not going to multiply directly 91.3. We'll just simply put it here as it is. That is 91.3 plus 70.3. Now see, this 70 plus 70.3 will become 4.70, and the rest of the portion remain as it is. Okay. Now at the place of 70, we will use second equation. Find the value of 70, that is 252 minus 91.2. Just put it here, and minus 91.3 will remain as it is. Now see, 91 minus 2 minus 3, but this 4 will multiply inside the bracket, it will become minus 8. So we will get minus 11.91. Next step. We haven't used the equation first, so it's the turn of equation first. We'll find the value of 91. Just put it here. The value of 91. That will be 595 minus 252.2. Just put it here. Then we'll get the value. This value. Just a minute. We will get this, which is the linear combination of those two numbers, 252 and 595. So we have represented the GCD in the terms of linear combination of those two numbers. Okay, thank you.